You mind if I mess with your wig a little bit here? If it's any flying hair, you can just take a cigarette lighter to it. Seriously. The dancing diva of Texas is back, honey. Kennedy Davenport, yes! I'm most remembered by my Little Richard from Snatch Game and my Death Becomes Her look, One Night of Hookin'.
She looks like Tony the Tiger on crack.
I think Kennedy has grown more as far as drag is concerned. I pushed the envelope myself to be a little bit more creative, but I don't think I've changed much, just changed in my mind to just allow myself to grow more in female impersonation. I want to prove that I'm more than what people saw on season 7. I want to show the world that I'm funny, I can make you feel at home, I'm a realist. Although I'm a very serious person when it comes to my business, but I'm definitely not the person that was perceived in season 7. I have so much more to offer, and that's what I have to prove, honey. What made me want to compete again on All Stars? They called me. No, it's an honor. It's an opportunity, once again, for me to share my gift with the world on an even broader demographic. So there's no way I could have said no. I belong in the Drag Race Hall of Fame because I'm special. I'm different. I do things that others would never do, and I make history. All Stars 3 is going to be sickening.
Hey, squirrel friend, when one video ends, just open up another one. It's called binge viewing. Go ahead. I support you.